Hello everyone! Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today we will learn how to sort in Google Sheets in a simple and practical way. This video will help you organize raw data into a clean and readable order. Step 1. Start by selecting all the data you want to sort, including headers and related columns, by clicking and dragging across the cells. This step is important because selecting the full range keeps all related information aligned while sorting. Step 2. Once the data is selected, go to the top menu and click on Data, then choose Sort Sheet. This option allows Google Sheets to sort the entire dataset instead of just one column. Step 3. Select Sort Sheet A to Z if you want ascending order, or Z to A for descending order. For number columns like age, A to Z sorts from smallest to largest, making trends easier to understand. Step 4. After applying the sort, your spreadsheet will automatically rearrange the rows while keeping each row's data together. This helps you analyze information more clearly without mixing up values. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials.